Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out Badseed Tech's collaboration with Prevail Key Company to create his very own keyboard switch called the Badseed Tactile Switch. Now, this was sold as an in-stock product and it is sold out as of right now. Now, these were sold in packs of 70, 90, and 110 switches. I picked up the 70 pack and the pricing is as follows. For 70 switches, it was $45.50. For 90 it was $58.50, and for 110 it was $71.50. These pricings are on par with basically the standard for most switches on the market at the moment. This is a custom colorway with teal top and bottom housings, and it has a long pole gray stem made out of P3 materials. This is manufactured by JWK and features a 63.5 gram 2-stage spring that I absolutely love. Now it is factory lubed and it is 5-pin as well. This switch is definitely usable right out the box because the factory lube job is pretty consistent with all the switches that I've used. And I will say the only problem with almost all of them is the fact that they could probably be lubed a little bit more since there is a little bit of ticking to them. But when it comes to the feel of these switches, that's where it knocks almost every tactile switch I've tried out of the park. If you combine the long pole tactile stamp with a nice tactile bump and their very snappy 63.5 gram 2-stage spring, you get a recipe for one of the best switches I've ever used. They feel very snappy and they have a really nice tactile bump. I wouldn't say it's super sharp, but I think it does lean towards the sharper side. It is not really a round bump in my opinion, but I could be wrong when it comes to that. Now, if you were wondering how they sounded, here is a quick sound test so you guys can hear how they sound. Sound tests don't really show you exactly how they'll sound on your board because it depends on the plate and the keyboard that you put it in, but I do think they sound pretty nice. Going back to how they feel, the smoothness aspect of these switches is very good. I don't think they're rough or scratchy in any way. The lube job is pretty good in that regard, and overall I think these just provide a very nice typing experience that most people, if you are a part of Tactile Gang, would enjoy. I'll be leaving a link to them in the description below, but let me know what you guys think about these switches in the comments down below. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.